Terra Luna Classic is one of the least volatile cryptocurrencies right now, and that's a surprising fact to see, knowing the history of its volatility. But guys, one of the reasons could be that we have not passed a proposal for Terra Luna Classic in about 1 month. October 4th was the last time we have seen a Terra Luna Classic proposal passed. So we're going to be looking at some of the proposals that are still out there. You guys are very familiar with them at this point. But I also want to look into the fact that we're not really following Bitcoin when Bitcoin's got some negative price action. But Terra Luna Classic is following when Bitcoin has some positive price action. So let's dive into how the market's reacting and what that could mean for LUNC moving forward, because I think it's a positive sign. So let's discuss it. If it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. Let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2023 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. Now, look, if you guys are brand new to investing, you don't know how or where to buy stocks and crypto, you got a link in the description below for Webull. It is super simple to set up your account. Any deposit, you guys are getting at least 6 free stocks, up to 12 free stocks, and you're going to be earning 5% on your cash balances. Don't have to buy a single share of anything, and you get that 5%. If you guys want cryptocurrency exclusive exchanges, where you can buy, sell, trade, short, leverage, all that good stuff, you've got KuCoin and Binance down there. Now, KuCoin and Binance, they offer rewards for the more active traders, so the more you trade, the more you're going to earn. But please be aware, if you're holding on those exchanges, it is going to be considered a loan to those exchanges. So if you want to mitigate that risk and make it your asset, you need to look at a cold storage or DeFi wallet. October 4th. October 4th is the last time we saw a proposal passed, and we almost reversed it. That was the proposal to blacklist wallet, and then it's got the wallet address right there with the 800 million USTC in it. Now, the fact that we almost reversed that proposal would have led the previous one, September 30th. So it would have been over a month. And in the next couple of days, it will be over a month since we have seen a proposal pass. Why? Because the current ones that are up for vote don't end until November 6th. And knowing that they are not passing, and they're not going to pass at this point, we are not going to see a proposal pass until at least mid-November by now, because there are no other proposals even on the list. So the parameter change to set the burn tax to 0 is failing miserably, which you would expect. People want to burn Terra Luna Classic. 88% no votes, 11% no with veto, and then of course only 0.35% yes votes there. It is obvious that people want to burn Terra Luna Classic. The next one, the very strange one, this one about the Phoenix LUNC, the one we've been discussing in some detail lately about, doing a reverse split on the Terra Luna Classic blockchain, rewarding those that burn, and then rewarding the old Terra Luna wallets from pre-crash so that they could get some money back, which they've already gotten money with Luna 2.0. I don't understand why it's our responsibility now to refund those wallets as well. Very strange, but nonetheless, it is not passing. 98% no votes and only 1% yes votes on that proposal right there. 0.46% no with veto, not a very large percentage. So, what do we have going on? Stagnation. No changes. No risk-taking. Terra Luna Classic community that is sitting here on the edge waiting for something. Now, guys, we have been predicting for a while now that Terra Luna Classic is going to be coming up on a very important 2024. We have not seen a spend proposal, and of course you can see the reaction from the USTC repeg team. A lot of people believed that the repeg team would provide a value, provide a service, and continue working in order to get paid. Not the case. They don't receive a paycheck, they leave you high and dry. The Layer 1 development team, they're still moving on, but it does not seem as though they're going to see their spend proposals passed, and they better be getting some really quick for the fourth quarter and the first quarters of 2024 there, otherwise they may not continue on as well. The Terra Rebels, you saw what happened as soon as their proposal did not pass. Terra Classic, who? Was Terra Luna Classic a thing? They moved on faster than they could change their name. Now, instead of providing services to Terra Luna Classic and focusing on building up LUNC, they're simply trying to scramble and use the money that they raised off Terra Luna Classic to build up other projects and focus on other projects. So 2024 is going to be a very interesting year for LUNC holders. It's going to be a decisive year. It's going to really lay out the path forward. We're going to have a lot going on in the crypto space. Guys, Bitcoin is knocking on the door of $36,000. The SEC is deliberating on whether or not they are going to pass these Bitcoin ETFs. The Bitcoin halving is coming up in April of 2024. Yet Terra Luna Classic is hovering right above these critical support levels at about 6,000 to 6,500 points per coin. Now, the thing that I like is Bitcoin is showing some volatility. It's ripping up to 36, back down to 34. It's jumping to 35, back down to 33. Back up to 36, back down to 34. So Bitcoin is showing volatility, but Terra Luna Classic is showing stability. And now I don't know if that stability is going to attract traders. I actually believe that they're attracted to the volatility. So they may be flocking out of Terra Luna Classic and moving into Bitcoin, knowing that there's more opportunity for gains in Bitcoin right now. But it's going to be imperative that we are building, that we are growing, and that we are changing during the next couple of years if we expect people to come into Terra Luna Classic during the bull market. If we've got the stability at 6,500 points per coin, but no room for growth, why would people buy? So we do need to make some changes at some point. We do need to see some growth at some point. But like I said in the previous videos, I appreciate the fact that we are not making these changes and just leaping on faith, hoping that something sticks. The community pool funds are very limited, and they need to be spent wisely, and I truly believe that the community right now is spending those funds wisely. So I want to know what you guys think. With all of these proposals getting no votes, and not having seen one pass since October 4th, do you think that this is wise for the Terra Luna Classic community to do this, or do you think that we are being too conservative at this point, and we do need to make some changes? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below, and of course, if that button right there is still red, make sure to click it, subscribe to the channel, join us, become a pro. We are here every single day. We are growing our portfolios together. You guys got Claybro883 everywhere. You're getting 6 to 12 free stocks on Webull. You got KuCoin and Binance down there. And remember, you don't have to make a single trade on anything. You're getting 5% on your cash balances. Free Discord. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day. Let's get started.